Okay, so for now, we're going to Robinson Ortigas. Yay.
It's day, it's Johnson and tea time with some of music background. Tanan! Nasa Akop event siya, pero si Jongsong yung dala niya, diba?
Ano yan? Ba't ka namimigay dyan? Penny freebies.
Nilabas ko na. Ayun, nilabas ko na.
Say hi to my video.
Hi, video! Hi, video!
Thank you very much.
Sana! This is for you. That's from Brian. Thank you, Brian. It's unboxing.
Okay ka na dyan?
Yes! Daming gamit na babanta. Alam mo ba, Mi? Anong tawag dito? Laman ng bag ko. Eto lang, walang pabango. May pabango ka dyan. Nag-acting up ka kasi yung tuhod ko. Kamsahamnida! Ay, nakwento ko na, di ba?
Ano?
Kanina nakapila ako doon, tapos pumasok ako. Tapos sabi nila, ano ba si ate nakapasok? Tapos sabi nila, kaya mo na ito naman, siya din naman ako.
Pero hindi nyo alam, ako naman na.
Wow! Tingnan mo si Mika, hindi niya kinento to sa akin. Ay, kanina, nung pagdating ko, may binigay ako ng burger ni Mika. Tapos ngayon, di ba nagbabantay nga lang ako dito, bumalik si Brian. Kasi gusto daw niyang magkape. Tapos sabi niya, ano daw gusto ko? Sabi ko, water lang. Kasi nag-burger na ako kanina. Tapos ngayon, sabi niya, Coke float na lang. Sabi ko, hindi ayoko. Kasi nga, busog pa naman ako. Nag-burger naman talaga ako. Tapos ayan, binilan niya ako ng pagkain na walang gravy. Paano ako tatayo dito, bro? Walang gravy. Ang dami natin gamit. Sige, ate. Sige lang. Masilip. Wait lang.
Pinantayan naman kasi talaga ni ate yun. Kaya ayun, nakakuha ko ng gravy. Binilisan ko pa nga ang pagkuha ng gravy. Ayan, tignan mo, mamaya babalik na ako. Diyan na ako, yay!
Wala, sino ba
Ay,
yun?
ayaw, stop.
Wala.
British.
Hala, Steven na lang meron ako. Hala, ako din nga. Nagpakuha pa ng freebie. Hala, wala na siya nakuha. Hala, inaabol niya. Wala na siya nakuha. Wala, bilis na wala. Hala, okay lang, be. Thank you, buka. Kalat ko, sorry. Andun na sila. Malapit ko naman na yung maabutan eh. Here's pa more. Boots pa more. Thank you. Thank you. Yay. Oops. Kanya-kanyang luto daw, B.
Kayo na lang mag-adjust ng baliktarin kasi tinatamad na ako. Di ko alam kung paano siya i-edit. Hehehe, kakay. Ay, ayaw mo, stop.
Ako din.
Try na susunod na yung chicken.
Kanya-kanyang buhay.
Hindi naman ito kasi right. Habang mo kasi yung ano.
Ayan, bahala ka ulit mag-adjust chat. Ito naman ginagawa ko lang to for compilation. Tinatamad din ako pag-edit. Kinampal ko lang siya talaga literal para mapa-upload ko niya sa YouTube ng minsanan. Alam niyo ba? Hindi naman. Nonchalant kasi yung dalawang magtatabi dun. Isipin niyo na lang kung nasan. Tapos yung isa, si Mika naman, nonchalalala, hindi siya nonchalant. Ano lang, chalant-chalant.
Hindi ko na alam ano nangyayari sa chicken. Wow, mom, samida. Yung songi. Wow. Wow. Kimchi. I don't like kimchi. I'm gonna eat na. Bye-bye. So today is February 14th. And this is the first time. And this is the first time we're gonna eat together. Diba? This is the first time we're gonna eat together. Charan! This is the first time we're gonna eat together. Kasi si Brian busy na siya kumain sa ticketing niya. Wala pa rin ba?
Wala pa din siyang ticket as of now. Ticket na I don't know what. We're gonna eat na. Bye-bye. Wow! Brian, ikaw naman. Ayaw ko Okay, thank you. Okay, okay. Okay. The scary news is, ano yun?
Tapos na-realize namin hindi kami pareho nagluluto.
Mga hindi nagluto pa din siya.
Halo-halo lang naman yun eh.
Huh?
Halo pala. Delivery men.
I know how. Ayaw ko bukod ka lang ako. Feel mama. Ikaw lagi laman ng video ko ngayon. Taste the king. But it's gulay.
Okay na to.
Sa akin, pinaluto niya. Hindi pa nakakaubos. So, gusto ko kalahati pala sa kanya. Ano ko kalahati sa kanya?
Kaso kami wala. Agod na ako, bro. Hindi ka na kaya. Kanina pa kami naghahanap ng Starbucks. Puno dun sa upper ground. Pagod na ako.
Pagod na ako.
Ayan, mag-adjust ka ulit, Johnson. At kung nanonood ka sa TV, kasalanan mo yun. Ka kasi sa Johnson.
I'm getting
Ba't ka
this.
kasi sa Johnson? Ba't ka
I'm
kasi sa
sorry.
TV nanonood? Kasi nga, nagkaroon na ako ng yung stick pad. Ay, yung selfie stick. Naisip na namin na gamitin yung selfie stick. Kaya nakaganyan na ako. Tapos ano na yun eh. Sobrang sakit na ng paa ko yun. Kasi palipat-lipat kami ng Mega 8 tas may gabi. Kasi nga naghahanap kami ng, ay hindi mo ako maintindihan dyan. Kasi nagsasalita ako dyan. Tapos ako nagsasalita dito. Ang mga nasap-sap, pinibrito. Ang sarap naman. Ano sinasabi ko dyan? Pagod na pagod yung paa ko dyan. Kasi ang sakit-sakit na. Tapos alam mo ba, dumaan kami ng Mega Center dyan. Ay, Mega Center ba yun? Hindi yung, oo, basta yung puro libre. bumili. Yung naka-sale ganun. Tapos, hindi ako bumili ng chinelas kasi hindi ako bumili. Kasi nga, ayoko.
Mas nag-enjoy ako maglakad. Kahit na masakit yung paa ako kapag nag-video ako. Oh, to see with Wani! Ayaw mo yan eh. It's a day out with Jungseong-ki, Jaeoni, Jungwon-i, and Sungwon-i! I found a chair. I found a chair here in Starbucks. They are looking for a chair and here I am sitting. Galing kami sa ano, diba? Pagod na ako. That manonood kami ng sine pero hindi kami natuloy kasi nga yan, buts ka pa kasi Kristala. We're sitting on a chair! Yay! Look at my quintas. This is color red and it has Jaeon at EA. Dapat pa ganun. Ay, pa ganun. Kasi ang vlog ko ay patay. It's J. I think kailangan to ng mag-golden. Pero I'm gonna bit all of this. Hindi pa ako babalikan dito. It's so heavy. So heavy. Babalikan ako ni Mika. Mika is here na. Sabi sa inyo, babalikan niya ako. Nga, yung pabali pala yung buto ko dito. Goodbye guys. We're going inside. Yay! Samnida. I'm already at the soda. Order ni Kabels. Bone strawberry and cream wrap with pomegranate syrup. Dami namang hanas ng babaeng dito. What's your order, my dearest friend? Frozen mango dragon fruit something with lemonade. Ang haba din. Me, I don't know yet. Hindi naman ako nag-starves. What's your order, Brian?
Coffee cherry frappuccino.
What's my order? I don't know. What's my order? Chocolate Java chip. Chocolate chip cream. Chocolate chip cream. Okay, I'll go with chocolate chip cream. Alpha orders. I don't know what you call that, but that's it. Brian treats us Lucky Nico and now I'm gonna treat us hard. Kasi diba, siya yung nag-suggest nito. You don't have any signal to make this call? Mag-reload na para tuloy-tuloy ang yung promo. Hey guys, we have a problem. Walang data si Brian and we can't buy anything to make this call. Pero may card naman daw siya, pero hindi natin alam kung siya ba yun. You're laughing at me. My friend is laughing at me. You know guys, so I'm gonna introduce you to my friend. This is Angelina. She is Jungwon Bias. She is now a auditor. Yes, in one of the most promising firm in the Philippines. Yes. And her bias is Jungwon. Okay, let me introduce you to the second one. We have here, my friend, can you sit here besides me? Besides me? Can you sit here beside me? I'm gonna introduce you to our fellow entrants. This is Mika. She is an accountant and one of Okay. And this is Mika. She is a team leader in one of the most promising company here in the Philippines. And she is Jade Bayashi. Yes, say hi to her. So this is Jungwon-i, this is Jade, and I am Jungseong-ki. Thank you, Mika. And for the next one, I'm gonna introduce you the busiest person ever in our team. So sobrang busy niya, hindi na niya ako linganin ngayon eh. He's very busy at kapag inistorbo ko siya, mapapagalitan ako. Oh, we're so pretty here. How can I pindot the camera? I can connect nga eh.
Just pause na lang.
Okay.
Small.
The grande. How about the larger one? What do you call it?
Anong
The
order mo?
venti? Ano na nga sabi ko kanina, guys? Chocolate chip cream. What
Size.
size are you? Grande. Ano size ka? Grande. How about you?
20.
Oh my gosh. I don't know, grande na lang din ako. Kasi 3 versus 1 is equals to 4. Guys, look at Brian. Our financer. Say hi to Jongwon. What can you say to Jongwon?
I don't know.
You don't have anything to say to him?
My mind is blank right now.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so sad. My friend, come here. I'm gonna ask you something. No, I'm gonna put this on the video, but I'm gonna post it on 2027. What can you say to JP? JP is so I'm gonna say to them, please get well soon. I know that you guys are sick right now. In kaso sa 2027. Yeah.
Kailan pa sila?
And most especially
Next year daw.
Mary Park. Okay? You don't have any choice. The only choice you have is to marry me. Oh my gosh, my friend is so tired na para bang pasan na niya ang buong Pilipinas. Because it's real. Guys, alam nyo ba, fun fact, never ako nag-Starbucks unless kasama ko siya lang. Oh, this is my first Starbucks ever. No, I mean not ever, pero kahit na lahat ng co-work ko nag-Starbucks, ako lang, water lang. Because it's not that I don't have enough money, but yeah, I don't have enough money to buy this.
Kaya may disclaimer.
I don't have enough money to buy this, to buy that. But I'm gonna ask you something, my friend. Maggie, I don't know the English of it. I hope and Hypen can understand it even if it's in Tagalog.
Like, wala nang subtitle.
Okay. Maging anak ni Jongwon or maging anak si Jongwon?
Anak na lang din.
Why?
Kasi ayoko mag-apply.
Oh my god, but Jongwon is your son, so it means you're gonna be proud of him.
Oo, pero nasa pagpapalaki ko yun.
Okay, so you think hindi mo siya mapapalaki ng ganyan siya sa ngayon?
Kasi iba na pagpapalaki. Maganda
So you guys want to lipat?
itaas yun yan.
Oh, you're not about, you can't about
Hindi
it.
siya kami naka-reserve direct ng superior back.
Ay, oo nga. That's it. So you want to be Jongwon's son? Ay, Jongwon's daughter.
Sorry. Wala na.
You want to be Jongwon's daughter. You wanna watch the movie tomorrow? Your brain is damaged. Oh, are you going? Guys, do you wanna go to Aurora? No, not my birthday. Because my birthday is going to be celebrated on Yongsang's house.
No, we don't have. I don't have.
Oh, but you're gonna have a leave starting August. Yeah, I'm gonna put some penguin at your face.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put penguin on your face. I just gonna need to video this. So this is Brian. He is a Somali Brian. And here we are gonna sing along to song that I just... Ako din patikim!
Natikman mo naman yung chocolate. Oo, sumama siya. Ba't natikman? Girl.
Ha?
Natimali kayo ng straw ni ano.
Hindi tama. Ito straw ko lagi.
Wala naman siyang ano.
Sa'yo talaga yun natin.
Sa'yo talaga.
Sa'yo yan. Baka sa'yo yan. Kasi may malalaking straw na yun.
Hindi, okay lang to. Ito may ano, may babing ko. Hindi, ito totoo ba?
My friend, you're not gonna allow me if I'm gonna taste that one.
Yan yung may malalaking bit sa'yo yun. Yun, tikman ko lang din.
It's yummy.
Maasim lang dito yung pearl.
So, nalaman nila na may event si Mingyu sa Manila.
At wala na silang money. Buti na lang unhypen lang mahal ko. Mika, what can you say about it? Di na nila alam kung saan sila gagastos, diba? Na lang ako. Ay, sinong walang trabaho sa aming lahat? It's Brian. Pero alam niyo kung ano sinabi niya? Siya na daw sa Starbucks. Tapos, ang mabayaran na lang namin is yung Sam Group. Tapos sabi niya, siya na din daw sa service charge. Kaya hindi kami kita. Ay. Paano ba yun?
Okay na. Okay lang.
Hi guys! So for today's video, nandito kami ngayon sa Yakiniku. Pero 1 hour na kaming nag-wait. Kasi, ang daming tao. Today is ano ngayon eh? February 2014. 2025. Ay, 2026. The color of the theme of our day is Woo! Woo! Blue! Brian, edit mo to, tapos post ko sa TikTok. Galing kami sa... Asan yung ano mo, to yung mousepad? So, say bye-bye. Bye-bye! Kung kaibigan ay bumaba. Masyado naman silang masibag. Masyado silang masipag. And here I am waiting for them only. Why are you guys baba? Why did you guys baba? Every one of us are booking na. Ayan. Booking. Next time, meron na tayong friend na may car. Kasya kayo ni Kuya dyan. The first evictee! Sino second? Not me! Wait, tawagan ko.